Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video I want to share with you how to insert a YouTube video on a Microsoft PowerPoint slide. Sometimes you may need it during your presentations to play a video for your audience to have an idea of what you're talking about, or to have a better understanding of what you're talking about. Okay, so to start with, you first of all need to go to the website, the YouTube video that you want to link. So for example, I go to mine over here. Let's say I'm going to this my video, and all I need to do is to come over to the share button here, and you can just come over and copy this link. You can copy this link and you navigate to the PowerPoint presentation where you want to paste where you want to add your video. So for example, let's say from this point we're creating a new slide. Okay, so from here, let's say we want to add that video over here. So all you need to do is to navigate to the start menu, to insert menu over here, and you can come to video over here, and you come to this small arrow, you come to online video, click on it, and then you can paste that URL that you've just copied from the YouTube channel or from the YouTube video. So you just right click and paste it, and you click on insert, and you just wait a little to have it inserted into your document. Okay, and you can see your video just inserted over here. So at this point you have the option to change one or two things. For example, you have the video effect over here, you can play around with it. You have the arrangement over here, you can bring it on the top, bottom, or you have the other video features over here, and many more over here that you can play around with depending on your choice. But right now we can just drag and drop it to the center. We can resize it to kind of fill the slide, and so whenever we are on our slideshow, you can just click on it to start playing from your computer. How to disconnect it and stop syncing, stop storing your data on. Okay, as you can see, it has just played nicely. And so this is basically how to bring in a YouTube video and link it up to your PowerPoint presentation. So once you are presenting, you can easily have your video play as you're presenting and as you move from one slide to another. If you enjoyed this video, ladies and gentlemen, kindly give it a thumbs up, and remember to always hit the like and subscribe button to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.